Hello everyone. So this is our project, which is a face recognition system. This is the UI of it, which we made it a couple of days back. And coming to our setup now. So this is our setup. Here is the camera, which is written show your face, and this is the red light and the green light. Remove that. Yes, this red light will show us that the door is locked, and then when it becomes green, sound will come with a buzzer. So now we're demonstrating the actual implementation of it.
So the ESP32CAM server is now started, and now we move to the UI part of the server, and now we have to turn on face recognition. And first we have to click on start stream, then you have to click on face recognition detection. So the user will come near the webcam, and then first we have to enroll his face. So it's taking the samples. Door is now unlocked. So when an intruder comes near the camera, it will show an intruder alert, and if an admin or already enrolled face will come near the camera, it will detect the face.
And so now the door is unlocked. Okay, so now coming to the components part. So this is the ESP32CAM, which is a microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and camera module. So next will come the Arduino Uno. So this actually we are using it to feed the code into the ESP32CAM. And apart from this, we are just using normal LEDs and a buzzer.